Today, attorney Oscar Selgado was on the defense inside and outside the courtroom.
That's why people backs things out on no hand, backs phone out on no hand and things like that.
Selgado, who is accused of abetment to commit murder against Marilyn Barnes, appeared before High Court Justice Nigel Pilgrim as his trial continued. He was cross-examined on Monday and today the voir dire to determine as fact that key witness Giovanni Ramirez is in fear of his life, unwilling to testify because of that fear, and whether his statement can be relied on by the court, concluded. Today, Selgado's attorney, senior counsel Adolf Lucas, was expected to call two witnesses. The first was expected to be a medical professional from the KHMH who would confirm that Ramirez was shot. That witness was reluctant to testify because he was unsure how he would be able to help the court. Justice Pilgrim reminded Lucas that the reluctance might have been because of data protection laws that prevents a person's medical records be shared without a person's consent or a court order. The second witness was junior IT application specialist Marco Marin, who searched BTL's call detail records database on a court order to establish if there were any calls made between Selgado and Ramirez between February 6 and March 15, 2019. Marin told the court that no records were found for that specified period. Director of Public Prosecution Sherilyn Vidal asked Marin if BTL records phone calls made via social media apps. Marin said no. Vidal is expected to file written submissions on November 15th, after which the defense will respond on November 22nd. The trial was adjourned to November 23rd. At the conclusion of the trial today, Selgado exited through the back of the building, but News 5 followed and got this response.
You have no respect for people's privacy, no respect at all. What do you all expect me to do when the case is on? I told you all when the case finished, I'll give you an interview. I cannot comment on a case that is before the court. I've said that over and over. Then you will go playing this on the nation. Well, go and play it for the nation, because the nation does not describe or the nation does not determine what happens in the court. But you all have no respect for my privacy or for your job, the decency and the professionalism of your job. And that's why people backs things out on no hand, backs phone out on no hand and things like that.
I doesn't do my job, Mr. Selgado.
That's not your job. Your job is to go and interview Adolf Lucas, who is my attorney. Your job is not to chase me down as a defendant. Know your job. I've said that over and over, and I will not run from the media or hide from the media.
And you've apologized before for saying those same comments.
I have done that out of decency for you all, but you all need to know your job.
So you're saying that your apology a few weeks ago wasn't
I'm not saying
sincere?
anything to you.
Reporting for News 5, Hipolito Novelo.